Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HTZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis previously, so want to get some things updated here, as I know there's still plenty of eyeballs watching this one, but relative to the annotations that I drew on the previous video, certainly some little movements needed to be, pointed out here. First thing I'm going to do, though, is just get rid of that line. It's served its purpose for now. But the first big update that does need to come into play, and this is just based on a foundational rule in charting, and that states that when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So that initial area of support that I talked about right up here at the $2 mark, and you can see that the price is now broken down below that area, occurred earlier on in the day. So moving forward, if there is any sort of continued, sideways price movement, and then the price does try to work its way back upwards, the big question mark now becomes, can the price get back above $2? If it can, does that mean that it's shooting back up to the 280s? I'm not saying that, but at least at that point, it brings about a valid question. It's a more than rational thought to be having that, hey, you know what? Maybe the bulls are going to make another appearance. Maybe there can be some more upside momentum that's going to show back up. Again, doesn't mean that's for sure going to happen, but it becomes a lot more rational to be thinking that way at that point. Whereas right now, things are looking a little bit shaky, but if the price can demonstrate enough strength to get up to $2 and then break above it, again, it just makes more sense to be focused on, hey, you know what? Maybe the bullishness is going to return at that point. On the flip side, this is not a new level to talk about, so not really an update, but more so probably confirmation would be an accurate term. But if you did watch the previous videos, hopefully you remember me talking about that green line there to $1.80 as support. And then you look at today's price movement, and surprise, surprise, the power of charts. That's right where the price did find some support at. So $1.80 was that main level to watch. That's the level that did ultimately hold up. So far, so good in regards to that. In the event $1.80 does not quite hold, then the next key level of support I would expect the price to, at minimum, go down and test is that $1.67 mark. But all in all, we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.